Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax of Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2026 Bennington 22SSR. We got a lot of exciting equipment on this and some new equipment for 2026 I want to share with you. First, this is the all-new midnight blue color. It's got the rippled panel with a smooth black accent. We also have the blackout package on this boat. This is a full tritoon with our SPS tritoon package and is powered by a 175 horsepower YAMAHA SHO motor. Come to the back, let me show you some more features. On this particular boat, we've added the extended aft deck, the ski tow bar. Here's that 175 horsepower motor I was telling you about. Another one of my favorite features back here in the back of this boat is the lily pad ladder. Very easy to get in and off the boat, and has a nice strap to help pull it in, and is spring assisted to make it easy. Come on inside. All right, thanks for joining me inside this boat. This boat has the stern radius seating arrangement, which means it has 4 of the benches on each corner and a captain and co-captain seat. It is the gray interior with the carbon accent, has a removable table, has a great little cubby storage here for your drinks and cell phones and whatnot. Stick your sunscreen and everything back there. It's a great storage spot. Coming to the helm, we have a reclining helm seat with flip-down armrests. We got the Garmin GPS, a Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo, a wireless charger down here to keep your phone charging out of the sun, a little glove box for your valuables, and I really like how they bring the throttle down alongside the driver for a very nice, comfortable driving position. You can see the captain and co-captain seat and our rear loungers here as well. This boat does have a 10-foot long bimini top, and we've added the blue LED ice lighting to the interior of that. And lots of cool little options throughout this boat that I like to point out. Each one of our doors has the door stop and gate glide that will hold your door open and make it very easy to open and shut. And they're all LED lit as well. That's just one of the many features on this boat that you should come by and see here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.